Thanks a lot. We will start the session now. Shall we start the lesson, my dear? Now I will clear the doubts in the doubt session, my dear. Okay, I am going to share a video. Please don't scribble on that. Okay, I am audible to everyone. I am audible to everyone. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, இப்போ நான் வந்து 15 days எழுதுன notes
Ma'am, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. Hello. Am I audible to everyone? Yeah, thank you, Tina Darshini. Can we start the session now? Yes, my dear. Okay, and I appreciate all. And everyone have done a very good job. And everyone had done a very good job today. And most of the participants were there. Many participants were there. And I hope everyone has participated. Nearly 110, 112 people have participated. Yes, my dear. Can you able to hear? Can you able to hear now? Yes, my dear. Shall we start? I will go for the session. Now I am going to go for a share screen. Okay. In that share screen, we will go for the Swaraj plantations. Okay. Can everyone be able to see, my dear? So in this Swaraj plantations, we will go for the first one. So Swaraj, what it mean to the different people. Okay. And you can see very clearly town people, countryside peasants, and the tribal peasants. Is it I am audible? Thank you. And the next one is, thank you, my dear, thank you. In that Swaraj plantations, the plantations workers are in Assam. Okay, due to that Inland Immigration Act, made them not to go outside their farms, that is their tea gardens. When they heard about that, the Gandhiji has started the non-cooperation movement. Okay, they thought that they will be freed from the British. So they are going out of the plantations. Okay, so they raised the slogans called Swatantra Bharat. What Bharat? Swatantra Bharat. Can anyone write in the chat what Bharat I said now? Swatantra Bharat. Is it clear, my dear? It is called as Swatantra Bharat. Okay, then next, actually it is a Swaraj plantation. It is a plantations where the people are working. In that the British made them, brutally treated them. Okay, and they want freedom. Clear? They want freedom. What they want? They want freedom. Okay, and from there they wanted to go out. When Congress, that is the Gandhiji were in, they thought that they will be relieved from the British. So even though they fought for many troubles, okay, they wanted the Swaraj. Here Swaraj means freedom, and they raised the slogans like Swatantra Bharat. What slogan? Swatantra Bharat. Can you able to understand, my dear? Give me the chat. Whether I am audible? Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. Now we will go for the Swatantra. Whether the slides are shown to you, can you able to see? Can you able to see the slides? Yes. Can you able to see? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now in this, there is an act called Inland Immigration Act of 1859. What happened? It restricted the plantation workers to leave the tea gardens without permission. That is the main thing. And the workers were defied. They were inside the plantations. So they have been treated brutally, and you can see in the picture, they are forming a big queue and they are coming out of the plantations. So this is one of the main reason towards the civil disobedience movement, because the non-cooperation movement went in failure. So what is that Inland Immigration Act? The Inland Immigration Act is of 1859, where the plantations people are not permitted to leave the tea gardens without permission. In reality, they were rarely given. That means they are not even allowed to move out from the place. Can you able to understand, my dear? Can you able to understand? Give me some raised hands. That is an Inland Immigration Act. Thank you, my dear. I hope everyone have given superb response. Now we will go for the next slide. Assam tea planters. So the workers in the plantations, they demanded to move freely in and out. That's what we have discussed. That is called as Inland Immigration Act of 1859. It was called as an Inland Immigration Act of 1859, and which took away the right to free the movement. Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. I hope you are also in there. Thanks a lot. And when they heard about that non-cooperation movement, they wanted freedom. So they are moving out, whatever may be the outcome. So here you can see the plantations and how they have been brutally beaten up by the British. Can you able to see the slides, my dear? And here they started the non-cooperation movement in 1920 and 1922. Thank you. Can you able to see? Very good. So what is the aims of the movement? So in order, the main non-cooperation aims we have seen in the last class, no? Surrender of all the titles, boycott of government school and colleges, and boycott of all the functions which have been conducted by the British, and boycott of law courts, boycott of all foreign articles, giving up of the foreign of soldiers, Indian soldiers, then likewise use the Swadeshi. They boycotted everything. That is the aim of the movement. Next, why this non-cooperation movement have been withdrawn? It has been withdrawn by the Chauri Chaura incident. We know very well. It is a Chauri Chaura incident. It has been withdrawn. And what happened? Nearly 22 policemen were killed in this incident against the violence. So they thought that Gandhiji thought that it is very much necessary to train the people in non-violent satyagraha. So that's what we see, the failure. What was the cause of the failure of non-cooperation movement? So the main aim is Chauri Chaura, and the mob burned down the police station. Our Indian people burned down, killing nearly 33 police officers. I am audible to you. Can you able to see the slide? Please give me raise hands. I hope only 74 participants are there. What about the remaining, by dear? Yesterday it was nearly 80, 90. Okay, you just call others peoples to get in. Thank you, my dear. And here, difficult to sustain such a large scale movement for a much longer time. Thank you. I am seeing that you are raising your hand there. Superb. So this was, so we are back to here. We are the cause of failures. And here, you want to know what is the place of Chauri Chaura. Here, the Chauri Chaura here is the place. This place where the British police officers were killed by our people. See? Chauri Chaura, Shahid Samarak. So it was written in Hindi. And here, there was the Chauri Chaura incident. That's what I said before itself. They killed nearly a village near Gorakhpur. They killed nearly in the place of Chauri Chaura. They killed nearly how many people? 22 policemen. How many people? 22 policemen. Then this was the main thing. Violence would breed violence. So that was the thinking of Gandhiji, and he got disappointed by this kind of act. And Gandhiji was arrested and sentenced for 6 years imprisonment and he was very much disappointed by this movement. So here we can see the map: Chauri Chaura, Amritsar, Kheda, and Kolkata. So these are all the places where we have already seen. And here is the Chauri Chaura. This is what I have to show you in the map. Children, if you don't have map to go, you can go for the YouTube, and there are many places to see the map, to draw the map very easily. Okay, so these are all the many places where the nationalist movement have gone through. Can you able to see the India map, my dear? Can you able to see the India map? Give me raise hands. Thank you, thank you. This is the map. Can you able to see India important places of national movement? Superb. Thank you, dear. And here the Pakistan, Peshwa, and many were there. See, can you able to see that? And we have gone for Ahmedabad, Kheda, Surat, and Delhi. Chauri Chaura is here. Can you able to see my point? And Nagpur, Chandrapur, Lahore, Amritsar, where Jallianwala Bagh was there. Can you able to see the map, my dear? Thank you. Sangeeta ma'am, I hope you are in and you are seeing me. Thank you. And now they are entering into the civil disobedience movement. And the person you are seeing here is John Simon. Who is that? John Simon. And he was the major person to whom we said, Simon, go back. We are now dealing with towards civil disobedience, my dear children. And you have seen Indian uninvited guest. So he was uninvited. They didn't invite him. And it is called as Simon, go back. I am very happy. There are nearly 96 or 97 participants. Thanks a lot, my dear. And here, Indian uninvited guest. It is called as, who is he is called? The Simon. He is called as Sir John Simon. And here, there was a big protest. You can see in black and white. Simon, go back. It is called as Simon, go back. And what is the main reasons for the civil disobedient movement? The Simon Commission of 1927 and Great Economic Depression. These were the two main reasons in order to start the Simon Commission. And here, see, Sir John Simon headed, and they were 7 men committee. All are British. Can you able to see that? Why Simon Commission and the impact of Simon Commission? Can you able to see, my dear students? Give me the raise hands, dears. Thank you, my dear, thank you. Why Simon Commission? To restore the relationship with the Indians, to reform the law of 1919, to offer the Indians autonomy. But he didn't give. Everyone in this committee were only the British. No Indian people is there. So they wanted to say to him, go back, Simon. Mass protest and rallies by Muslims and Hindus. And there was a rejection of the reforms by Simon Commission. Can you able to see? There was a Simon, go back, and they had given written as Indian uninvited guest. So who was an Indian uninvited guest? Simon Commission. And it was done by Simon. He was Sir John Simon. Then Gandhi. Next comes, can you able to see a photo? A picture of Gandhi and Irwin. Can you able to see, my dear? Gandhi and Irwin. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I hope everyone is concentrating on the pictures here. So here we know about these two things, the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So it is called as Gandhi-Irwin Pact. It was done in 5th March 1931. So it is called Gandhi-Irwin Pact. When it happened, thank you, my dear. Many participants are there. Thanks a lot. In March of 1930, Gandhi met with the Viceroy. He is named as Lord Irwin. And the two main classes was Congress participation and the civil disobedience movement. The government of India released, even though he released all the satyagrahis, but the Gandhiji was not satisfied with his norms. So you can see the Gandhi-Irwin Pact in the stamp. Can you able to see, my dear? Thank you. It is called the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So we have to know the next part is Swaraj. What is the meaning of Swaraj? Swaraj is nothing but the freedom. And the Purna Swaraj is complete independence. Can you able to see the tabulation, dear, between Swaraj and Purna Swaraj? Yes, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. There are 99 participants. Thanks a lot, my dear. And I have appreciated everyone. And today they have written nearly 114 and 100, and all the students in 10th standard have written the MCQs very well. And I came to know that everyone have participated in this. Thanks a lot, my dear, and lots of congratulations to you especially. Started in 1921, and then we are coming to Swaraj. What happened? Swaraj means what? A freedom from the British rule. Purna Swaraj, it was announced in the Lahore session of 1929. So the meaning of the notion was different from the social groups. So here in the Purna Swaraj means complete. Purna means complete Swaraj. Can you able to see, my dear? Can you able to see? Thank you, my dear. Thank you. We want Purna. Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Thank you. Thank you. We want Purna Swaraj. So what is the meaning of Purna Swaraj? It is the complete Swaraj. So it happened in October 1929. The Viceroy Irwin afforded that. But it was not, he said that to give a special status to India, that we state as Dominion status. What is the meaning that? Dominion means it's nothing but a special status. But he didn't keep his promise. So that was very much affected the Gandhiji, and it made him to start the civil disobedience movement. So in December 1929, the Lahore session was there, and it has been done by Gandhiji. Okay, and we will go for the next one. Okay, we will go for the next one. That's the topic today we are going to see, and we will share nearly one video for you. Okay, we will share one video here. Before that, we will go for the nationalism in India. It's an idea, we have seen idea of Satyagraha. There are many. Can you able to see, my dear? Idea of Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1950. The novel method of mass agitation is called as Satyagraha. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power and the search of truth. And Mahatma Gandhi believed that only the Dharma can go for it. Can you able to see the objective types questions, my dear? And in 1917, he organized the Satyagraha, which was there in the districts of Gujarat, Kheda. Can you able to see, my dear? And the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji in 1919 started the Rowlatt Act. And who made that Rowlatt Act? Imperial Legislative Councils. So there is a detention of political prisoners. Can you able to see the multiple choice, my dears? Can you able to see? Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. So here, detention of political prisoners without the trial for 2 years. Okay, that is called as Rowlatt Act. We have seen already. And who was the commander of Jallianwala Bagh? General Dyer. And you have then and there, you just ask yourself some simple questions so that you can retain all this in your memory. The large crowd came to attend the which fair? The Baishakhi fair. And General Dyer, what reason he gave for killing 100 people? To produce the moral effect. And the Satyagrahis were forced, and they wanted to salam for their higher officials. So there was a Khilafat. Who was the spiritual leader? Khalifa. Khalifa was the spiritual leader. Why? Now here comes why non-cooperation movement. In the Hind Swaraj, he have written, Gandhiji have written in a book. Why we have struggled like this? It because the Indians have allowed the British. So yesterday we seen movements in the towns, And what do you mean by picket? And in the rebellion countryside, we have seen Baba Ramchandra, we have seen beggar. Beggar is nothing but it's a form of labor where we were forced to contribute without any payment. Can you able to see, my dear? Zamindas, who is Nabindas, and we have gone for Nai Dobi Band and Alluri Sitaram Raju. These were the things we have revised till yesterday, and today we have gone for this. Can you able to see, my dears? Now I will give you one video for you. It is nothing but the implication of First World War. Can you able to see? Can you able to hear? Can you able to hear, my dear? Give me the raise hands. Video தெரியுதா ma'am? Oh my god, ஏதோ வரேன் ma'am, வரேன் ma'am. Can you able to, I think there is no audio, I think so. Now the doubt session we can go, Dakana. Okay, can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear, my dear? Okay. I hope the video session is not hearing. Yeah, I hope so. Okay. And tomorrow I will come with that video's audio. And can you able to see some pictures over there about the impact of First World War? Can you able to see? Okay. And it is nothing but, my dear, it is nothing an impact of the First World War, what happened. Okay. The impact of how really the First World War had impacted our India. Can you able to understand? And how it had been impacted and how we faced a lot of problems. Can you able to hear me now? Okay. I am audible? Okay. Any other doubts in this session, my dear? Any other doubts? Any other doubts? It can be cleared now. Any other doubts? And you are very well about the Swaraj plantations and Simon Commission. It's clear for you? And I'm very sorry that audible I cannot make with the video right now. And from tomorrow we will make with the audible also. It will be audible for you. The video will be audible for you. Sangeetam, I am very much thank you for your presence here and you have cooperated with me. I hope everyone has joined. Nearly 99 participants, 92 to 99 were there. Videos are coming. Thank you. Kevin, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Any other doubt session you want? Any other doubts, clearance, Chowri Chowra, Swaraj plantations? Okay. And Simon Commission, Purna Swaraj. Any other doubts regarding that, my dear? Raga Sabrish, any other doubt you want to be cleared? And I hope everyone were participating.